Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Shu Todoroki. Now, Shu Todoroki is an LMP racer representing Japan and bearing number 7 in the World Grand Prix. So Shu was raised at the base of the active Mount Asama volcano in Japan, and soon became a champion on the Suzuka circuit. His sleek design sports a fire-red Karyu dragon, which Shu borrowed from Japanese legend because he relates to the small yet fierce nature of the dragon. His team legacy is filled with victories. His coach, a Mazda, was the only Japanese car to ever win at Le Mans, and Shu hopes to prove his champion-level skills by racing on the international stage of the World Grand Prix. He participated in the 3 World Grand Prix races and in the Radiator Springs Grand Prix. Shu revealed himself to be one of the best racers in the competition. He finished 4th place in the Tokyo race, and kept that position for most of the time in Porto Corsa. In the Porto Corsa race, he was one of the 3 cars' engines were blown up by the lemons. He also called, he violently entered into a collision with Miguel Camino and Max Schnell. Hits them both. They eventually hit and pile up, and then also conclude Rip Kletchkovsky and Raul Serral. However, he was able to recover and participate in the final race in London. Now, his engine type is a 6-litre naturally aspirated V12 with a horsepower of 700. His 0 to 60 is 3 seconds, and he has a top speed of 203 miles an hour. And I think he's based on not too sure really, but probably like some more Le Mans car. Well, it looks like he's anyway, some sort of endurance race or something like that anyway, I'm not too sure. Now, let's have a look at him. A close look at him specifically. Now, as you can see, obviously number 7, all in all, the Japanese flag here. Then obviously, as I said, Karyu dragon design from Japanese legend. And then, very sleek, very nice. Then you have the Japanese flag and some Japanese characters, not too sure what that means. But, not too sure what that means. Then, moving around to the back, nothing really. Well, minus the wing, nothing really going on. Oh, and this side where it gets interesting. You get more red, more style, more everything, more better looks, I think. You get more red, and yes, it's insane. Red's my favourite colour. Red and white go together brilliantly. He's one of my favourite World Grand Prix racers. He's just, meh, okay. But he's not my favourite. Rip Kletchkovsky is. Well, and Lewis Hamilton as well. And other than that, he's very sugoi. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So, see you in the next video, boys and girls.